Alright everyone, welcome to Neuro Profit AI. It's Graham here, and today we're going to smash one of the biggest myths in finance. For years, you've been told investing is a rich person's game, that you need thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars, just to get a seat at the table. That's completely wrong. You can start building wealth today with just $10. The same as a fancy coffee or a lunch combo. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me. Platforms like Neuro Profit AI are leading the charge. The world of investing has been turned upside down. The barriers are gone. The opportunity is yours. A decade ago, buying tiny pieces of Apple or Amazon was unheard of. You had to buy whole shares, costing hundreds or even thousands, and pay high commission fees through a traditional broker. Today, a few taps make you a part owner. It's a revolution. You're invited. Two key innovations: fractional shares. Buy a slice for as little as $1. $10, multiple companies, instant diversification, zero commission trading. Your money goes into investments, not fees. These tools make starting with $10 effective. Let's begin. Let's talk about something incredibly powerful. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest. Your money makes money, and that new money makes more. Imagine a small snowball at the top of a hill. Give it a push. It rolls and grows. The bigger it gets, the faster it grows. That's your $10. At first, growth is almost invisible. Cents add to principal, then earn their own cents. Over time, the curve gets steeper, starting small beats starting late. Time is your greatest asset. More time equals a much bigger snowball. Don't dismiss $10. It's the seed for a financial forest. Redirect small spends. $10 a week becomes $40 a month. At 8–10% over decades, that can reach six figures. This isn't sacrifice, it's intentionality. Small, regular investments build the habit. Investing is a muscle. Automate $10, then $20, $50, $100 as income grows. You invest in money and in your financial education and discipline. Build the habit now. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Okay, before you download an app or pick a stock, do the most important step. It costs nothing. Figure out your why. Down payment in 10 years, retirement in 40, a safety net. Be specific. Write it down, your North Star. Next, understand your time horizon. More time allows more risk and recovery. Short goals require lower risk. Over long periods, markets have recovered. In the short term, they can be volatile. Assess your risk tolerance. Be honest with yourself. Would a 30% drop make you panic or see opportunity? Younger and long-term, generally higher tolerance. Closer to goal, lower risk. Now tie it together into a simple plan. Example: long horizon, moderate high risk tolerance. Invest a set amount monthly in diversified growth ETFs and stocks. Do not touch it for 40 years. Simple, clear, built for you. This step is the foundation for everything. Now for the fun part, where do you put your $10? Great beginner options. Stocks, specifically fractional shares. A stock is ownership in a company you believe in. Tesla, Apple, Amazon. No need for thousands. Own a tiny slice with $10. As the company grows, your slice grows. Prefer not to bet on one company. Choose an ETF, a basket of many stocks. An S&P 500 ETF like VOO or SPY holds the 500 largest US companies. One purchase spreads your $10 across hundreds, reducing risk. Losers get balanced by winners. Robo-advisors build and manage a diversified ETF portfolio for you. Answer a few questions. They allocate, rebalance, and keep you on track for low fees. Consider a Roth IRA. Invest after-tax dollars, and qualified retirement withdrawals are tax-free. Open a Roth at most brokerages and buy the same ETFs, a powerhouse for long-term wealth. You can start with your first $10. Use tools that simplify choices and keep costs low. Then, stay consistent. You have your plan and investments in mind. Now open a brokerage account. It used to be paperwork and high minimums. Today, it's as easy as social media. Many beginner-friendly apps with no minimums and commission-free trading provide basic info to verify identity. It's standard and secure. Approval often takes minutes to a couple business days. Link your bank via the app portal or routing account numbers. Move your first $10. Funds settle in 1–2 days. You've opened the door most only talk about. The moment has arrived. Choose a simple S&P 500 ETF like VOO. Don't get overwhelmed by numbers. Find the trade or buy button. Select buy in dollars. Fractional shares enabled. Enter 10. The app estimates your fraction. Perfect. Review. Confirm. That's it. You're officially an investor. Now wait. Let the investment work. Prices rise and fall, totally normal. Remember your blueprint. Long term, set an automatic plan. Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Consistency builds 6 and 7 figures over years. Not luck, discipline. 2 friends, Alex and Ben. Same jobs, same pay. Ben believed he needed a lot to start, so he waited. Extras ate his raises. Alex started small, $20 a week, and automated it. It felt tiny, until it added up. Momentum kicked in for Alex. Ben stayed on the sidelines. 15 years of time in the market gave Alex a snowball. Ben struggled to match. It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Trap 1. Emotional investing. Fear and greed. Stick to your plan. Same amount, same schedule. Trap 2. Trying to time bottoms and tops. Even pros fail. You miss big gains or sell too soon. Solution. Dollar cost averaging. Buy fixed dollars on a schedule. You naturally buy more at lower prices. Trap 3. Hot tips and penny stock hype. Investors lose chasing rockets. You're an investor, not a gambler. Diversify. Be boring. Don't quit when it feels slow. You're laying the foundation. Be patient. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. It all boils down to this. You can start with $10. The myth that investing is only for the wealthy is broken. Your greatest tool is time, not a lump sum. Define your goals. Pick a simple ETF. Open a commission-free account. Make your first purchase. It's simple, not scary, achievable for you. Technology changed the rules. Neuro Profit AI helps level the playing field. The doors to wealth are open. Only your first step remains. Take $10. Open the account. Make the investment. Today. A year from now, you'll be glad you did. Stay ahead of the curve with Neuro Profit AI. Subscribe now. Your journey starts here, and we're with you every step. Let's get this done.